tall grass. I can't my foot now. I tell that ticklish gloves. Huh? Well, Roger, Iggy Space Super. Okay, what are you doing? The fingernails are this. Ouch. Okay, stop running at the speed. You mean say that holder? I said ordinary. It's a flares. Oh yeah, it's not a game. What am I supposed to do? Hey, do you see mushrooms? Something way. Oh, something ways funny bunny rabbit, funny your face, you dumb bitch. Oops, don't language. Oh, see, Mr. Cougar Bird. Oh, shucks, it's too easy. Oh, shucks, it's this. This or the other chameleon this do. You're just doing now, Cougar Bird. Oh, you're just cooking now. I'm a cougar bird. I'm a cougar bird. Silly gloves. I'm not gonna silly gloves. I'm not silly. Wow. Oh, this planet has a birthplace I haven't seen before. Nope. But I'll change it to yeah. Nope. This is all you do. Hello. Right here, that's hello. That's what you got there. Hello. That's brother. I can't move. I can't move. Okay, Trinix. Now what am I supposed to do? Huh? Just like the chameleon do. This. Alright. You go to the next bird in. Or the secular too. I got mine. Okay, that's it. You're finished. This other complaint. That's just hopeless. Yeah, I gotta go home to feed cougar birds. Why did I just tell you, cougar birds? Do you see nothing characters? All of that means you can help me with that. After what that, wait, got it, mate. Hey, RudolfSquare, do you make this? Oh my God! Be careful, idiot! Don't you settle on my face about it. Oh. I got it out of the base of first place. First place shoes. I birthday shoes at the first place shoes. I said, my cougar bird. Hello, RudolfSquare. Hey, nice to meet you. Oh, nice to you too, Other. This is the cottage tree I put in your face. No. Oh my God, your last name. Oh my God. Just start. Oh, give it to you. This one I need to. This is how you face so weird. It's all your best chameleon. I'm not chameleon. I'm not coffee and shit. Oh, that's sad. You mean so sad. Oh, just leave me on. I need to leave me on the face up. Oh, nuts. You guys check before they ever see. Go. I can't believe it. What are we doing? Yeah, because I do it. Oh no, stop it. They got me a chase. Oh. This is everything we've seen. I'm trapped. What do we do? I know RudolfSquare. What have you seen before? This is mine. Good enough. Oh, poor Mr. Iggy. We could not save my life. Walk your body under the fire, you shatter. Yeah, my shelter's and country. Now we've heard. Now and then before Poppy returns. Make you best friends forever. Although you are the best friends. Yeah, you call it best friends forever. Oh, I heard that so much. God, give me the fellas. Please, I don't know what I am. It's just what I am, RudolfSquare. I don't what this someone's supposed to do. Why could Bali any... Oh, is I crying enough? Hey, no crying aloud, city pants. Oh, you talking to him. Beat him. Well, then, touch the cloud, the jets are trying to make us. Oh, I'll talk out with you. Medium pop enough? Yeah. With a purple up baby, she's in the turn. I in the turn. She said turn. Oh, yeah, you turn. Get that at the turn. Oh, yeah, they never see. Oh, get body in the lair. Mr. Scary Pants. Scary Pants. Scary Pants. No. Mr. Iggy, I know you suspect not allowed. Thanks you for no. Thanks for enough. RudolfSquare and Journix. Hey, you posted next to each other. No, sir, I was next to you. Well, not a problem. Who's next? Who's next for the sound of cougar little birds? Well. It's so funny you got a belt on the face. Oh, the best guy, little boy. Don't come back. Oh no, what's wrong? It's something there, yeah. And the closet is more. The mouse on it's a rat. Deal. What are you doing there, Journix? I drop it in the toilet. Good read, man. What do you want? Tired, Mr. Cool Bird decided to so much ever seen it. Well, because you told her to get it to me. Oh yeah, that's better. Go look, it's better than the one. You stop it, Journix. This is not rude. It's a tiny even noise. It's all that noise, said people. Journix didn't allow the speaker. Scooby is. It's not. Was they saying a mouse dancing? Thank you. I'm getting tired. Oh, brother. What the hell was what? What the? Music. Edit, RudolfSquare, it's me, Iggy. Stop, RudolfSquare. Oh, who are you talking to? Nothing, the cool little birds. Really, that be screaming on stain. Oh. Just not doing it to point it out. That's rude. Mouses. Yeah. Especially it is sunny. I get the sun's rays too big. What I had to do with it? Whoa, I hope not. Lego ship. There's a scam found. Oh, and crabs. Coming through.
Scooby-Is. Oh, Scooby-Is.
What does he want, Ferris? Do you want that, Ferris? Look at mouse. Hi. Who are you talking to? Nobody? This is 3 October yet. The void yet. Void yet? You can't void yet out of the suit. She's gonna wait for it to camp. There's some rice and there's some rice and the cheese. Hello, Mr. Cooler Bird. Are you finished the cheese? Ha ha ha. You're not getting no cheese, okay? And besides, this way you're supposed to go. This way because I'm Friday been taking from the movie style. Of course. Of course, of course, of course. That's not a drink, said Jeremiah, as I told you. Who told you to stop cheese or break it? Thank you. The side, where do you side it? RudolfSquare? Yeah, you're supposed to be two of us. Not bring your fines and not be sane. Not the saints, Iggy and Jamori. I hate that place. I hate you. I hate you. When am I gonna hate you at night? I swear you are gone. I couldn't see the entry. What? What do you want? What do you want, the ferris? Huh? 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 Nothing. I just killed another. Iggy and those suspects are doing the task. We're doing this for you. Redeemable. Oh. Okay, same criminals that you want to. The last band is that armadillo so big. Big enough. Oh, and it's as big as I did do. Who you call your fish, bitch? Nothing. What a tasty heartburn. Heartburn? I got him in the middle of the night. Something dances, Mouse. Mouse, you're on an arrest. You and the teacher, it was the last straw. I call you spectacular jumping. Jumping and not waiting for this bit over there. It's time to go to bed. Where's your light switch, Mouse? Where's your light switch? Because you're the water. It's middle of the night. Oh, I'm sorry, Mouse. You had it on the mouse straight. Good night, Mouse. And you too in the Lord.